Hello and welcome to Simple French Cooking. My name is Francois, and today I was out walking with my dogs in the woods and I came across a gigantic patch of ramps, also known as wild garlic or bear's garlic. Hey, how are you? I'm out here in the woods walking my dog by this beautiful little stream, and look, found this patch of ramps. Ah, they're so beautiful. And I love the garlicky smell. I'm going to take these home and I'm going to show you how to make a ramp pasta with these. You know, it's that time of year again. Everybody's so excited. There's so many great things you can do with ramps. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use these ramp tops to make a beautiful green pasta like you'd find around Nice, maybe something they would serve with a daube of beef or a daube of lamb. And you know what? If you don't have any ramps, don't worry, because you can use baby spinach you can find in any grocery store in America and still have the same beautiful green pasta that we're going to make today. Okay, use a pair of scissors to cut the tops off of the ramps. This is the quickest way, and save those delicious ramp bottoms for another dish. Now, altogether, we're going to need about 6 ounces of greens, so whether you use 3 ounces of ramp greens and 3 ounces of spinach or all spinach, doesn't matter. Next step, you just want to blanch them and just get them in the water, let them cook about 1 minute, and then we're going to cool them off. Now squeeze all the water out of your greens because otherwise your pasta is going to be too wet, so just squeeze it to the best of your abilities. Now we're going to pop it into a blender, add 2 eggs, now I like to grate a little bit of fresh nutmeg in there. Just a small amount gives it a wonderful flavor. A little bit of fine sea salt. You don't want to use anything coarse, otherwise it's going to rip your noodles. And then just a little splash of olive oil. And then just blend it, blend it. Now scrape your blender out into a mixing bowl. If you're going to do it in a stand mixer, or you can do this by hand, but I'll talk about that later. Now I'm going to add about 10 ounces of flour and just work the dough until it's nice and smooth. So if you don't have a mixer, just mix all of your ingredients in a bowl, work it into dough, and then put it onto a floured surface and just start kneading away till it's nice and smooth. This way works great as well. Look at that beautiful dough. From this point on, rolling out your pasta dough is the same as any other dough. You're going to flour it a bit. Now, I don't like to start with a piece too big because as you roll it, the sheets will get longer. And then just start on the largest setting of your pasta machine and just start cranking. And by the way, I pick up my pasta machines for no more than $5 or $6. You can find them at any store like Ross in their kitchen section. We're just going to keep rolling it to get it thinner. Now watch this. This is a trick I learned when I was younger. Connect the dough so you have like a belt, if you will, and then just start rolling. And when you got enough space, you can put your arm inside and then just start spinning, 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 spinning. It's a much quicker way to roll out pasta at home. And every now and then just keep changing the setting to get it thinner and thinner, stretching your dough out longer and longer. It's just really simple and lots of fun, and your neighbors will be impressed at how good you are. And I just do the final rolling with the individual sheets the same size I want to cut them. For this pasta, I just decided to cut it in a fettuccine thickness. Look how beautiful that is. Thanks so much for watching Simple French Cooking. Please share this video if you liked it. Please hit the like button. It helps with my YouTube algorithm. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I have new cooking videos every Wednesday, and I usually try to do another one on the weekend. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.